have come to a location in Painesville, Ohio, called Chair Factory Falls. It is the site of okay, let me start this again. Hey guys. Well, today we've come to a location called Chair Factory Falls. It's in Painesville, Ohio. It is a place where there was an old chair factory many years ago that burned, and there's supposed to be a beautiful waterfall here along the creek, and I've never been here before. Heard a lot about it, seen a lot of really nice pictures, but I've never been. So today we've come out to check it out. It is brisk, it is cool. May have to get my gloves out, but it is very pretty today. So we are gonna go check this place out. Let's go. So we're heading down the trail here. This seems to be a pretty popular area. There's lots of people out walking with their dogs and out enjoying this gorgeous day. It's been a while since we've been able to get out. It's been crazy weather here. People have been sick. I got the flu. So we're out enjoying this beautiful weather that we have. It's in the high 40s, and hopefully it's going to warm up even more. Ooh, that's a bit of a drop off. So we're heading down the path and gonna go find the falls. Here we go. Heading down to Chair Factory Falls, and sorry for the noise, the highway is right here to my left. It's actually very pretty here, if not for the highway noise, so I'm hoping it's not too loud for you guys, but this is very pretty. We're gonna continue on. we're here. We are at Chair Factory Falls, and as you can see, it's a big clump of ice. There's really nothing to photograph. It is absolutely beautiful, and this place would be gorgeous once the thaw happens and it starts to flow more. But right now, it's just a big clump of ice. There really is no way to get down to this safely. So I'm not even gonna try it today. And I mean, take a look at that. That has to be a good 50-foot drop down to the bottom of that. And there's really no safe way to get down at this point. But this is Chair Factory Falls, and where I'm standing is where the mill wheelhouse used to sit. And then up on this hill behind me is where the actual chair factory used to be. And apparently it burned down many years ago, and there's nothing left. There was only a few pieces of charred wood according to things that I've read. So what we're gonna do is, the gentleman that's here with his family, who are behind me, told me about another park just on the other side of the highway called Liberty Hollow. So we're gonna take a quick trip over there and see. I want to stop at Payne Falls, which is just up a little more, and see what else we can find today. We're heading back up now, and actually, I think I might go check out the top of the falls. Let's head over there. Beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful here. Beautiful. I'm at the top of Chair Factory Falls. Decided on our way out to move down here. You can see the water running underneath the ice. It is so pretty. That ice is really thick. At least it looks like it's thick. I kind of doubt it's as thick as I think it is. This is gorgeous. In the summertime, this place is gonna be fantastic. Just look at this. I mean, this is just wow. This is gorgeous. Hi. I am definitely coming back when this starts to thaw. The guy that I spoke to said that in the springtime is the best time to be here for the falls. This is beautiful. Absolutely drop dead beautiful. We've come to the top of the waterfalls, and it is absolutely drop dead gorgeous up here. And the ice is so thick, but you can still see the water running underneath the ice. It's fantastic. But inside one of the pockets of the ice is this oak leaf that has landed in there. I did not place it there. This is what I found when I walked up. But all around it is this jagged, hoarfrosty type of ice formation that is very, very cool. And I got my camera out. I'm in a precarious position here, so I didn't do my tripod. I handheld it. It's an F11 at, I think, hold on. It's an F11 at 30th of a second, and it's just absolutely the coolest thing ever. And it's just in this little hole or divot. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I'm gonna have Brian hand me the GoPro. But it's, yeah, you're not gonna be able to see it. It's this one right there. And it's just surrounded in frost. But it is the coolest thing ever. So thank God for husbands, let me tell you. So I got some images of it. I don't know how they're gonna turn out because they're handheld, and I'm nervous about sliding off this crazy thing. But I'm hoping it comes out really well. There's all kinds of different leaves frozen in it, but not in places that I can really get to. This is just absolutely breathtakingly gorgeous. I'm on my 40 to 150 millimeter lens, f2.8, with a 1.4 extension. I just, wow. This is just absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna try and capture some of the ice formations on the opposite side. We'll see what happens. I've had my Atlas bag for a month now, and I've been able to get out with it 3, maybe 4 times over the winter time. A couple of times I didn't actually do a vlog on because I just wanted to go out and take photographs. But I'm getting ready to do a full review on this bag, and I'll just give you a little bit of a preview now. This bag is fantastic. I love this bag. It is extremely comfortable. This sucker has a lot of stuff in it right now, and it's very lightweight. I love the shoulder straps. So look for a review in about 2 or 3 weeks for this bad boy. Let me tell you, that climb killed me. I'm definitely out of shape compared to what I was last year. Whew. Being sick over the summer last year didn't help me at all. It kind of hampered me a little. So we're headed back to the car, and we may, given time, go check out another spot. I'm not too sure, but we shall see when we get there. Okay, parking lot's just right there. Let me tell you, I am definitely out of shape. Well, my trip to Chair Factory Falls was kind of productive. It's a beautiful place. The waterfall is absolutely gorgeous. It's solid frozen. I really didn't get a whole lot of pictures except for the oak leaf in the one little divot of the ice. Let me fix my microphone here. definitely coming back when it's thawed. Whew, it's just that climb up hit me hard. Whew, definitely need to get back in shape. But I'm definitely coming back. This is a very pretty place, and it's a busy place. There's been a lot of people in and out of here today. It's the Greenway. Used to be the old railroad tracks. If you see it behind me, the path behind me used to be the old railroad tracks that came through here, and when the railroad abandoned it and tore it up, they turned it into what they call the Greenway, which is a huge bike and walking path that goes for miles. How far? 5 miles. 4.5. And I know it also extends towards Akron, which is about an hour south of here. So this is a really cool place I definitely want to come back to. Today's video was more about me getting out of the house for a while, trying out this GoPro 7 to see how I like it. If I don't like it, if I like it, we'll see. I'm playing with the Hyper Smooth. Apparently I'm near a gun range because I'm hearing a pistol go off. But it's very nice to finally be out and about and back in nature again. So thanks you guys for coming with me, and I'm heading towards the car where my drink awaits. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. Click like, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.